Hello everyone, welcome to one more session of science with me. Children, today we are beginning a new topic in science and I'm sure you'd love this topic, that is housing and clothing, right? So, children, you all should be aware of what are the three most basic requirements for human beings, that are food. Why? Because we all need food to live. Second basic necessity, children, is we all need a shelter, that is a house. Okay, we all need a shelter. We need a beautiful home, okay, beautiful house to live. And the third most important necessity is a clothes, right? So the three essential and basic necessities of every human beings are that we all need food, shelter and clothes, right? Everybody's requirement are the same. So children, why do we need a house? A house is a place in which we live. All living beings such as animals, birds, humans, they all need a place to live, right? So it keeps us safe. The house keeps us safe from bad weather such as rain, sunlight, storm and others natural disasters. That's why we need a house. Children, because this house protect us from the wind, rainfall and heat. And it also protect us from the enemies and thieves. And children, the most important things, we all feel happy and safe in a home. We love a home. Okay, so these are the three things which are necessary for every human beings. Okay, so a house protect us from heat, cold, rain and storm. Okay, and the second thing, children, whatever be the type of house, but it should always be kept clean. Okay, so there are the different types of houses are there, like kacha house, pakka house, tilt house, igloo, houseboat, lot of houses are there. So children, different types of houses are made of different materials, but the house in which we live, we use materials like bricks, cement, steel and wood to build houses, because these are the permanent houses. Okay, so these are the permanent houses in which we live. So the material which are required for that house like bricks, cement, steels and wood to build house, right? So why we need a house? We need a house to live. Okay, and all living beings such as children, even the animals, birds, humans, they also need a place to live. Okay, and it keeps us safe from bad weather such as rain, sunlight, storm and other natural disasters. That's why we need a house. So children, what are the features of the good house? See, children, a house can be big or small. It can have one or more room, but there are some features how to keep a house. What are the some essential some features? There are some features are there of a good house. So what kind of house should be there? What are the things should require for the good house? So here are the some features I have written on the board. See, first of all, children, it should be well lit, airy and clean. Children, living in a clean house help us stay healthy and happy. Okay, so insects and germs are found in dirty places and they spread a lot of diseases, right? So living in a dirty house can make us ill. So now here we are going to tell you some way how we are going to keep a house. Some features are there of the good house and how we are going to keep a house clean. Okay, so first of all, a good house, there are some essential features are there of a good house. First of all, children, a house should be always kept clean and free of germs. Okay, second thing, enough fresh air should enter the house so that we breathe clean air. Okay, there should be enough sunlight entering the house, right? And it saves, first of all, it saves electricity and it also a natural disinfectant. Okay, and the second is there should be enough sunlight entering the house. Just now I told you there should be enough sunlight entering the house. It save electricity, and it also a natural disinfectant. Okay, so enough fresh air, children, you know, the enough fresh air should enter the house so that we breathe clean air. So enough fresh air should be there. Okay, the enough fresh air should enter the house, you know, so that we breathe clean air. And you know, children, there should be proper ventilation to let the smoke and all these things, the smokes which are there, it should be go out of the kitchen. Okay, third is wire mesh or netting. Okay, this is also very important. Wire mesh or netting on the door keep insects such as flies and the mosquitoes away from the house. Okay, a house should have a good drainage system. Okay, this is also a very important features for the good house. Okay, so house should have a good drainage system. And what this drainage system do, it carries away the dirty water and other waste materials from the kitchen and bathrooms. The floor of the kitchen and bathroom should be sloping so that the water can flow out easily. Okay, so these are the some features of the good house. It should be well lit, airy and clean. Enough fresh air should enter the house so that we can breathe clean air. There should be proper sunlight. Okay, proper sunlight should be there, because you know, children, this sunlight also keep the house free from germs. Okay, so a good house should have a doors and windows to let in sunlight. So a clean and fresh air, when we are breathing the clean and fresh air, it also keeps us healthy. So a house should have windows and open spaces such as verandas and the balconies to let in plenty of fresh air. And you know, plants around the house makes the air clean. Okay, fine. So wire nettings in doors and windows, they stop the entry of the insects such as mosquitoes and the flies. Okay, however, they allow the sunlight and air to come in, but they stop entering of these insects and the mosquitoes, right? So these are the features of a good house. So children, these are the ways how we are going to keep a house neat and clean. Okay, so children, you know, every house should be kept clean and tidy. So here are some tips I have written on the board that we should keep in mind while cleaning the house. First of all, the garbage should be thrown into dustbins. Okay, so and the garbage bin or the dustbin should be always kept covered, right? Now bathrooms and toilets should be cleaned regularly. The floor should be swept and mopped regularly. Okay, these are the things how we are going to keep a house clean. So the garbage should be kept covered. Wash basin, toilets, wash basin and the bathroom should be washed with a disinfectant and that will kill the germs. Okay, so the floor should be mopped using a germ killer. Okay, right? The floor should be swept and mopped regularly. Okay, all things in the house must be dusted every day. Okay, because you know, the dust entered in the room, and these things should be the house, all things in the house, okay, must be dusted every day, right? And the first important things which I forgot to write here, do not use the plastic bags, as you know, they have harmful effects. So right, so all things should be kept in their right place. This is also very important things. Okay, things should be kept in the right place. So this is the way house look neat and tidy. Okay, and we need we need a not waste time looking for the things. Okay, so the bathroom and toilet should be cleaned regularly. The drains from the kitchen and the bathroom should be well covered, and you know, they keep the away insects such as flies and the cockroaches. So these things how we are going to keep a house clean and tidy. And the last important thing is all the objects should be arranged and kept at a proper place. Okay, children, you know what happen if you're going to keep the things here and there, what will happen? Okay, so it will, first of all, it will not look nice, and the second thing is we are wasting our time to find the things. So when we'll keep the things in the right place, So we don't have to waste the time, and we and we need not waste time for looking the things. Okay, if the things are kept in the proper place, in the right place. So all the objects should be arranged and kept at a proper place. This keeps the house neat. This way we do not waste time in looking for the things later. Okay, so these are the things how we are going to keep our house clean and neat. Okay, thank you and bye bye to everyone.